Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to set the carousel. So before getting into the video, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon. So whenever I am uploading a new video, you will get a notification immediately. Also do follow me on my Instagram page. Let's get into the video. So in this video, we are actually going to see how to achieve this design, which is the carousel. So here you can see that it is moving and even I can move this. Okay, so let us see how I achieved this design. Okay, so here it is auto playing, which is auto loop. Okay, let's see how to do this and let's see how to integrate carousel into our website. Let's get into the video. Yes, we have to design this. So this is similar as which we have done previously, so we can just copy paste it. There's no much difference there. This was a section 2, this was a section 3, and here we have another section. So let's tell section dot section 4. Okay, and here also it is going to be the same. So let's copy this container and this row, copy, close this, paste it here, and copy paste it once again. For this closing tag we need, for this opening div we need one close. That is why I copy pasted. So the change that we should do is change here. So which is category item, we'll just copy from here and paste it. So category is in black color but items is in red color, so add it inside the span tag. So simple. So the first thing you have to do to integrate Owl Carousel is, let us go to Owl Carousel website. So to integrate Owl Carousel into your website, you have to go to Owl Carousel. Just type Owl Carousel. Okay, so the first link that you get is the official website of Owl Carousel. So let's click on the first link. So this is the official Owl Carousel site. So here you have demo. We can go for demo. It's taking some time, so let's wait for it. I think my network is slow actually. So before, okay, I've got it. So here you have demos. So basic demos. Here you have basic one. So this is what we'll be integrating. You can see we have the dots and we have the navs as well, and we have some setup code here and HTML code here. So this is the basic sample which we'll be doing. You have the responsive one also, which is similar. There's no much difference between responsive, so which is similar. You can check out this, and so you have with different designs as merge. So you can just go through this, but we are going to start off with basic. So we'll be integrating the basic one. So let us download first. So first thing you have to do is, here you will have one download button. So click on download. As soon as you click, it will start downloading one zip file. Okay, so now double click on this and go to the place where it got downloaded. So first thing you have to do is, we have to extract it, right? So just right click and extract all. So I'm just extracting it here itself. So my extraction is completed. So why I have got here 4 is, I have already installed Owl Carousel those many times. So maybe somewhere here it is there. So that is why it is giving there 4. So don't take that into consideration. Just that you download and just extract. Now double click on this, and double click on this, you get this. So right click and open with this with VS Code. Okay, so I have just opened this Owl Carousel with VS Code. What I have done is, I have downloaded, extracted and opened with VS Code. So from this file, we should copy few files and add it to our project. Okay, from here we should add few files and add it to our project. So here you can see this. Okay, from here you have assets. Inside assets you have CSS. So you have to copy two CSS and two JSS. So what we'll do is, we have to copy the CSS and JS files from this Owl Carousel. So CSS is here, but the JS will be here. outside itself. So JS file we have outside, CSS is inside assets. So first we'll copy JSS itself. I'm going to copy this minified version. So owl carousel JS. I'll just copy this file, right click, copy, and go to my project. So here I have the JS. I'm just going to paste here. Done. Okay. So I've pasted it here. I'm going to close it. So I've got the owl carousel min.js. Next thing I need the CSS, right? So the same way we just go to assets, and here CSS we have minified version. Let's copy that and paste it inside this CSS. Paste. So we have copied the CSS also. One more thing we have to copy is the theme. Okay. So here we have default theme, which is minified version. Let's copy the minified version. So copy, go back and paste it here inside this CSS. Okay. So now we have integrated owl carousel CSS, default min, theme.default, and we have included the JS. Okay. So one more thing which we need is, which is very important, is jQuery. So jQuery CDN. Just type for jQuery CDN and you will get the first link. Click on that link and you can copy the minified version. You can directly add this, or else copy only this HTTP, paste it here and copy this code. Before that, copy this, go back to your project inside JS, create a new file with the name jQuery, okay, and hit enter. Inside this we are going to paste this code. So Control A, Control C and Control V. So I've pasted the jQuery as well. Now we have pasted every code, but we have not yet included, right? So we have to include these codes inside header and footer. So always links, CSS links will be included inside header. So here we have already included the CSS view links. Let us add this link as well. So here we have bootstrap. Let us add a comment line and tell as owl carousel. Okay. And tell link CSS. And instead of style, it is going to be, here you have to check inside which folder we have pasted. So inside assets slash CSS slash I have owl carousel min.css. So I'll just right click, Control A, Control C and paste the file name. Done. So copy paste the same thing and change this for default. Owl carousel default theme default min.css. So now CSS is linked. We want the JS also to be linked. So go to footer. So here you have script. So before this bundle script, I will just add the jQuery. So copy paste. So here let us copy, add the jQuery, rename. Go to footer. Add it here. And here we are going to tell owl carousel JS. Okay. So let's rename this, which is copy this and paste it here. Okay. Now we have included this, but how will we know if this carousel is working? So for that, what you have to do is go to this website, click on basic, and here you have the setup file, right? So let me first go to index. So here I have the setup file. So after this row, I need one row, right? So inside this row, what I am going to do is I'll just paste this carousel. So I'm just going to copy this HTML code and paste it inside this row. Okay, I've just pasted it and I'm just aligning this format document. So it has aligned in this way, but let us align it this way. Okay, so it got aligned now. Let us go reload and check what is happening. So this, I think it will not work. Let's go reload, and here you can see nothing has been seen. For that, one more thing is that we have to paste this script tag, which is we have to paste this script. Okay, so let's copy this and go to, you can do it inside footer, or else if you are not comfortable there, you can create one additional script file and do. What I am going to do is, after this footer, I will just create one script tag. See, you can do it in different file and just include that file, but here I am not going to do that. I'll just create a script tag and add this code. Now I'll go reload and check my output. So here you can see I've got the design, I've got the nav, it is looping. When I click, it is looping. So here I have the numbers which we have given here, right? We have given numbers, so that is what I am getting. But I don't want number. Instead, I want this images. Correct? For that, what you have to do is, here, let's remove this. Okay, let's remove this. Let's keep only 1, 2, and 3. And inside this H4, you have to remove this H4, and inside this item tag, inside this class item div, give an image tag and add the source, which image you want. Source images slash. So if I want to add 3 image, imagine I want to add this, this, and this. Okay, so I will just give here menu burger.jpg. So cut this, copy, paste, and change this to menu momo and menu pizza. Now let us go add a class name also, which is carousel image. Copy, paste it here, go back to your page and reload. So here you can see you have got the carousel image. Okay, let us set the nav to false because I don't require this nav here, and let us give dots. So this is nothing but the size of the screen. Okay, so the size depends upon which size you are using. So if it is mobile phone, show me 1, or if it is a laptop, show me 3 view, and if it is a big screen, show me 5. That is what this means, responsive. And nav and dots are those simple thing which we saw. So I am making this to false. Both I am making it to false for now. And we have one more thing, that is, so here we have 2 property for looping this. So here you can see it is getting looped, right? But here it is not looping. So 1, 2, 3, 5 items is being displayed here because the screen size is set to 5. For autoplay, you can just give autoplay true. I'm setting the autoplay to true. Let's see what is happening. Let's reload this page and wait for 2 seconds whether it is playing or it is giving some input. So I think there is no response for this. So let us go change this to autoplay. Reload. There's no change. So here you can, okay, there is a change. You can see that here make this autoplay smaller case, and you can note that it will just play after few seconds. Okay, so to set the time also we have one property which is auto play timeout. So here go tell auto play timeout and set this to 2000 and reload this page. You can see immediately it is happening, right? So when you set to 1000, you can see the difference now. It is moving fast. So you can ask me about the image. Here we have set another image, but here we have another image. Let's go change the image now because I want to get the same design, right? So I'll just go change the image. So I'm gonna tell here only burger.jpg and only momo.jpg and pizza.jpg. So it is the image that is making this difference. So let's reload this. So you can see you have got exactly the same design which you need, and here also we have to make, but it is not made, but you can just make it a little bit down also, no problem. So that's it in this video. This is how you set or integrate carousel into your website. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any doubt or suggestion, please do let me know in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you guys with the next video.